Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holders? So today video is going very special for Chiliz Holder, and this video I make this special for Chiliz Holder, not for everyone. Okay, so if you are not a Chiliz Holder, then skip this video and don't watch, please. This is not for you. So Chiliz Holders, this is live price prediction of Chiliz, and this is very latest update of Chiliz. This is very special for Chiliz Holder. Okay, so don't skip this video, keep watch. This is just 2-minute video, please don't skip. This is very informative. Okay guys, so let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brothers, please, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and like this video. I hope you subscribe this channel for more this type of videos. Please press the bell icon for notification. Please, they can notify you to ABS upload a good informative video. Then please watch it. Okay, so guys, this time I gonna show you the last 1 hour result. I gonna show you the 2 charts, then we decide to what's going on, and this is what we do. Okay, so this is very technical, special technical analysis. Just keep watch. Okay, if you can see here, this is last 1 hour result. Remember this which I show you. Okay, this time you can see here the chain is plus 1.51% gone up. So absolutely the mind-blowing chain, absolutely a good chain. And remember this latest price, the price is 0.4781 US dollar is the latest price of Chiliz. So remember this. Okay, and let's go to the last 24-hour chart. Also you remember this. Okay, if you can see here, this is last 24-hour chart, and absolutely this is mind-blowing, plus 3.14% gone up. So absolutely, if you can see here on the graph, the graph is the chart result. Absolutely, this time you can see here like a rocket jump, but they can again starting dumping. So this is the one big reason to get they can starting dumping, and those days every cryptocurrency goes down. So this is the reason as that to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency goes down at those days. So remember this. So this is not a selling time, please. My opinion is that this is not a selling time. I understand to this time as absolutely they can go down, but this time you can see here the 24-hour is absolutely and positive, absolutely goes up. So this is absolutely good jumps. So this is not a bad result. Okay, so just remember this is buying time. If you want to buy, then absolutely this is good time, and I cannot order you. I just share my opinion. This is your choice to you sell or buy. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box also. So this is big time for buying. Please buy it and hold and wait for the end of the month. Wait for the end of month. I hope they can give you a good profit. They can make you a millionaire. Absolutely, they can give you a good profit. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this type videos.